We're rolling. Hey guys, M66 here today. So, if you guys never heard of Tayo, the little bus, it's a really cute kids show. So today I'll be drawing Tayo, the little blue bus. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and like it. So as you know, guys, so I will not be drawing on paper, so I'll be doodling on a whiteboard. So let's start this video.
This is Noggin, the premium learning app from the experts at Nick Jr., featuring amazing learning games.
4, 7, 8. That's awesome.
Activities for creativity, books.
Ping pong. Point, point. Point, point. Subscribe. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Halloween, do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark.
Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Halloween, do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark. Woo!
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Halloween, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark. Ah!
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Halloween, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark. Wow!
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do. Halloween, do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa shark. Creepy, creepy zombie sharks, zombie sharks, zombie sharks. Creepy, creepy zombie sharks are roaming in the sea. Creepy, creepy zombie sharks, zombie sharks, zombie sharks. Creepy, creepy zombie sharks are dancing in the sea. Creepy, creepy zombie sharks, zombie sharks, zombie sharks. Creepy, creepy zombie sharks are dancing in the sea.
Okay, just give me a second.
Congratulations.
So after you're done drawing the side of Tayo's head, which is the number, so let's start with the song, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and and toes. Hey! Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. There was a bus in the town and Tayo was his name. Oh, T-A-Y-O. 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 And Tayo was his name. Oh, come on, everybody. Let's go. There was a bus in the town and Tayo was his name. Oh, A-Y-O. 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 And Tayo was his name. Oh. There was a bus in the town and Tayo was his name. Oh, Tayo. And Tayo was his name. Oh. There was a bus in the town and Tayo was his name. Oh, Tayo. And Tayo was his name. Oh. There was a bus in the town and Tayo was his name. Oh. Tayo. And Tayo was his name. Oh. There was a bus in the town and Tayo was his name. Oh. And Tayo was his name. Oh. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N.
So after you finish with Tayo, you can write the name like Tayo the little bus. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm being so weird and mean. So here comes the next song called Red Dog, The Search.
Be a healthcare hero by training to be a medical assistant at Carrington College. Get the skills for an essential career in
So that was my finishing touch. So yeah, guys, so here you go. That's how you draw Tayo the little bus. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and like it. Bye-bye.